sleep is actually regulated by circadian rhythm and by light. When you get a screen before bedtime, that suppresses your melatonin level, which helps you go to sleep, by 80%. And it lasts an hour and a half.
No, Tyra, I've done that too. As a doctor, I had many all-nighters and shifts that started early in the morning as taking care of people in the hospital.
Harvard did this study of 111,000 people over 34 years. They showed that walking is the single activity that reduces all-cause mortality the most. The minimum effective dose is 2 hours a week. Optimally, it's 5 hours a week. 2 hours a week is only 17 minutes a day, and many of us get that time incidentally. And that you get a cortisol response, and it helps you wake up. It actually helps your coffee work better in the morning. And it prepares you for making melatonin, Teresa, at night. The 2-hour rule really breaks down to 17 minutes a day. 17 minutes a day is the minimum effective dose at which your well-being, your mood, your memory, your focus, your cortisol levels begin to change.